Hi y'all, I'm Senby and I'm going to talk a little bit about GeoIRC, an IRC client for the Commodore 64 running GEOS. GeoIRC requires either a stock 64 with a 1541 Ultimate 2 Plus cartridge or an Ultimate 64. The networking is Ethernet only and requires command interface to be enabled on the Ultimate. A D81 containing the source and executable with release notes is available on Codeberg, where PDFs of the source files can also be found. GeoIRC requires a configuration file that holds a list of servers to connect to. It must be on the same disk as the program. If the file isn't found, an empty one will be created. To start GeoIRC, just double-click its icon. There are two informational dialogues, an About box and a Network Information dialog. To connect to an IRC server, open an existing connection from the configuration file. You can just double-click it. You can also edit connections or create new ones. Let's create a connection for the test server running on my laptop. Now that we've created it, we can open it. Most of the messages from the server are displayed when logging in. You can only be joined to one channel at a time, and joining a new one will automatically leave the existing one. See the release notes on the D81 or type /help for a list of other supported / commands. Private messages can be sent, but replies will appear in the main window in reverse video. Here we see a reply to a private message. You'll have to use the message command every time you send a private message. To send to the channel, just type a line of text and hit return. The input buffer is 100 characters long, and some editing shortcuts are available beyond the usual cursor key movement. F1 or Home to go to the beginning of the buffer, F7 for and clear to clear it. See the release notes to find the keystrokes for special characters. Let's visit the server that's included in the configuration file. Again, we see most of the server messages when logging in. And when joining a channel, we see a list of names already in the channel. For those interested in the technical side, or who may want to modify GeoIRC for their own use, there's another video that goes into considerable detail about some of the internals. Have a lot of fun!